Hello everyone, I am Meenakshi and welcome back to the next grammar session. And today we are going to learn about report writing. So what's report writing? Most of us read the reports in the newspaper every day. And a report is a factual or a brief account of any event or any incident that has already taken place. As we learned about the notice writing tells about the future event that is about to happen in future. But in report writing, we will write about the past event, past incident. There are good reports and bad reports as well. Alright? And let's now talk about the format of report writing. So what's the format of report writing? First of all, there would be the headline, then after byline, the person who is writing the report, then after place and date. Alright, then in the body there will be introduction. First of all, we will write about the introduction. We will tell about what happened, where did it happen, when did it happen, why did it happen, and how did it happen. Alright? And in paragraph 2, we will tell about the eyewitness account. It would be from the report would be taken from the concerned persons, and that would be written in the para 2. And in para 3, we will tell about the future course of action. Future course of action that is being planned. Alright? So this is the format of report writing. The features of the report writing. We should keep these points in our mind while writing a report. And the points are, the first one is the title or the headline. The headline must be the catchy one, the attractive one, and just like a small phrase. Alright? And I would give a tip that you avoid the use of articles, prepositions, etc. Alright? And the next point is name of the reporter, the byline. The reporter's name must be taken from the question because it's mentioned in the question. And tell about by whom is that report written. By chance, if there is no name mentioned in the question, then you may write staff reporter, by staff reporter. Alright? Then next point is tell about the place, date and time. Tell about the day when that report is being written, and in the body tell about the date when that event or incident happened. Alright? Then tell about the time, then when that incident or event happened, and the place where that incident happened, and the place where that news was written. Alright? Then is opening sentence. The opening sentence would be the elaboration of the headline. The first line would be the elaboration of the headline. Alright? Then there would be past tense. We should use past tense while writing a report, like past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect tense. Alright? And then is information collected from people. That information must be collected from the eyewitness and the concerned people that we are going to write in the report. Alright? Then is develop ideas. Ideas must be developed with the use of causes. What were the reasons of that event or incident? What were the consequences? What were the effects? Or you can write about the opinions of the people also. Alright? Then is formal, neutral and figurative language. Use these languages and avoid the use of ornamental language. Alright? Then is include relevant points and information. Relevant points must be there. You may ask what happened, where did it happen, when did it happen, and how did it happen. Alright? Tell about the relevant points and information. And the last one, use of the indirect speech and passive voice. Right? By writing the report, use indirect speech and passive voice. Report writing with the help of this question. This question is about an accident that occurred due to a building collapse and some people died or injured. And we are going to start this report writing with the headline. The headline here is 4 dead in building collapse. Right? Then byline, who write this report by Sumit Jain. This name is mentioned in the question. Then after the place, New Delhi, and the date 13 May 2020. And in the body, first paragraph would be about the introduction. A building under construction collapsed in Shram Vihar, East Delhi. It is an elaboration form of the headline. Alright, it's telling about where in Shram Vihar, East Delhi, and when on Thursday. It's giving the answer of when. Alright, and then it's claiming at least 4 lives. Many persons, mostly migrant laborers and their families, were trapped in the debris and rescue work was still on till late. And these lines are telling about the consequences, the effects. Alright. Then the second paragraph, according to the locals. Now here comes the eyewitness, concerned people. Right. According to the locals, the building collapsed around 4 o'clock, the time when the accident occurred, in the evening. There were about 10 laborers inside the building, including 3 families. And then after the last paragraph, the government has announced a compensation of rupees 1 lakh for the family of each victim. This is the conclusion, the future action. Alright, so it was a good report writing that contains proper format, proper introduction, proper way of telling about the details, telling about the future action. With the help of the eyewitness, we have used the all information. Alright, so it was all about report writing. And if you have any kind of doubt, you may ask in the comment box. Alright, we will meet in future. Until then, take care. Goodbye.